For today's video, we're going to try the Hell's Kitchen. Okay, so how to do it? So tayo, we're going to cook. Some challenges, create a social space. Okay, so Chef Gordon. So kaya natin to. We're just trying new games. Eating, we need 4 or more players to step in the circle. So kailangan pala nasa circle tayo. Diba? Dito ba? Or, doon. Okay, I know it. I didn't know. Yun pala yun. Kala ko kung siyang mag-i-start. So, wow, may pagpag siya. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, let's have this. Let's play Chef Gordon's Hell's Kitchen. So, the game starting soon. So, are we going upstairs? Meron dito. Mag-i-start na yung light. Okay, so, paano siya? What are we going to do? Okay, so here's Gordon Ramsay. Oh my god, we're going to cook, guys. Here, you're gonna have some. So we are divided to teams. Beef carpaccio. So, magluluto tayo. So, we're going to the pantry. So, let's open the pantry. So, this one daw, tas this one. Then, let's go to the fridge. Open the fridge. Then, we're going to put this one, and this one. So, let's go here to chop. Paano kapag ano na tayo, mataas na level natin, di ba? Ito ang i-chop natin. Okay, paano yun? Okay, na-chop na natin siya. And we're going to chop parmesan din. Okay, na-chop na natin. Then, dadalhin na natin dito. We're going to assemble. Ito muna. Ang gagawin dito. Ayan. Then, this one. Tapos, this one. This one ba? So, ewan ko. Ginagaya ko lang. Sinasundan lang natin siya. Then, we're going to serve it. Serve the food. So, my team is so slow. Ka-team mo ba ako? You're judging me, guys. My team is so slow. Sino ba ka-team nito? Ba't nagsusumbong siya sa akin? So, no pressure. Oh, so, talo kami, guys. So, mag-choose tayo ng uuwi. Bye! Farewell to you, my friend. Medyo nakakataranta siya, guys. Lamb sauce. Saan natin mahanap yung lamb sauce? Uy, budget kayo papunta. Susundan natin sila. Okay. Hindi natin nahanap. Ang galing naman niya. Saan niya nahanap yun? So, medyo nakakataranta siya. Kailangan mabilis tayo, guys. Oh my God. Let's go to the pantry. Guys, na-stress ako. Ito daw, saka ito. Tapos pupunta tayo sa fridge. Then, we're going to mix it. Ayan, layo. Mix. Uy, ano ba? Ay, natatalanta tayo, guys. Dito pala ako. Sorry na. We're going to mix it, guys. It's like cooking, mama. Oven. Ang tagal. Is it done? Log off. Saan ako mag-log off? Serve food? Are we going to serve? Assemble daw, assemble. Saan kaya assemble? Mali ko ba? Is it done? Serve na natin. Sorry, I'm newbie lang. Yeah, pantry. So dalawa siya. Okay, I get it. Siguro pag next game, itry natin, mabilis na tayo. Chop. Di na niya tayo tinuturuan. Ba't kasi ang layo? Red ako. Chop. Blend. Where are we going to blend? Again. Alo. Ang sama mo naman. You're so bad. Going to mix it. Be, yari na tayo. We're going to assemble it. Then we're going to serve. Tapos na yata sila. My gosh. Pantry na naman. I guess ako pinakamabagal. Nakakataranta. Daw tinuturo, di ba? Parang nakakataranta siya. Tapos team red pa ako. How? Sasungit pa ni Gordon. Sana tayong time. Okay, Hila. Oh my god. Sorry. Wow. Nalo pa kami. Sorry. Masyado akong pabigat, friend. I'm slow. Kasi tingnan mo naman siya. Culinary, ano na siya. Tapos tayo ang bagal-bagal natin sa inyo. So let's go to the pantry. Ba't kasi doon ako napunta? Ang layo, Tapos we're going to the fridge. Open the fridge. Then, let's go chop. Tingnan mo ang bilis niya, nakakatuwa. Sorry for being pabigat. Diba? Sorry for being pabigat. Then, let's assemble it. Assemble it. Then, let's serve. So, congrats, Blue Team. Bye. So, let's return to the lobby. It's so good. So, if you enjoy the Hell Kitchen, guys, it's fun to play. So, you should try it para maramdaman nyo yung pressure. Diba? So, i-recommend ko to sa aking mga pamangkin, ang aking mga friend, na siguro magugustuhan nila. Since pare-pares kaming gusto mataranta. So, that's for today. Thank you. Bye!